The Queen of Cups sits at the meeting place of land and sea, the still center of the emotional world. As water of water, she embodies emotional mastery not through control, but through deep receptivity, intuition, compassion, and the capacity to hold feeling with clarity rather than being swept away. Where the page awakens emotion and the knight pursues it, the queen becomes it, offering a sanctuary of wisdom and sensitivity. Her most striking symbol is the ornate lidded cup that she holds. Unlike any other vessel in the deck, it is covered and guarded by angels. This cup represents the sacredness of her inner life, the mysteries of intuition, the secrets of the heart, and the deep reservoirs of knowing accessible only through stillness. The closed lid signifies discernment and boundaries. She shares her truth purposefully, not impulsively. Her throne, carved with mermaids, scallop shells, and flowing sea motifs, forms the second major symbol. The mermaids move between depths and surface, mirroring the queen's ability to navigate the subconsciousness. The scallop shells signals spiritual pilgrimage, emotional insight gained through inner journeys. The throne itself represents emotional stability shaped by understanding, not rigidity. Her downward gaze into the cups is the third symbol. It reflects introspection, meditation, and the courage to look inward. Unlike the outward-looking king or the forward-looking knight, she turns her attention entirely to the inner world. Her power arises from knowing rather than reacting. The calm sea surrounding her is the fourth symbol. Its serenity reveals emotional integration, feelings understood, accepted, and harmonized. Yet, its vastness hints at depth and complexity beneath the surface. Her stillness does not deny emotion, it honors it. The angelic figures on her cup and throne form the fifth symbol, representing divine intuition, spiritual protection, and compassion expressed with wisdom. Her empathy is not sentimental, it's discerning, guided by a higher sense of truth. Together, these symbols present the queen as the heart's sanctuary, the healer, the intuitive, the compassionate guide. She understands the subtleties of emotion and offers presence without judgment. She teaches that emotional strength arises from reflection, boundaries, and self-awareness. In readings, she may signify intuitive clarity, emotional maturity, healing, or guidance from someone empathic and insightful. She invites meditation, dream work, artistic expression, and deep listening. Her shadow warns of overabsorption or blurred boundaries, yet even this teaches the need to return to inner stillness.